Liquid organic fertilizer made from rice water is a natural fertilizer derived from the water used to rinse rice. Rice water contains small amounts of starch, B vitamins, minerals, and organic compounds that help support plant growth and boost the activity of beneficial soil microorganisms. The benefits of rice water for plants include promoting root and shoot growth, supporting greener leaf growth, increasing the activity of beneficial soil microorganisms, utilizing kitchen waste, making it an eco-friendly option. How to use. Use the water from the first or second rice rinsing. If used directly, water the growing medium moderately 1 to 2 times a week. If fermented for a few days beforehand, the content of beneficial microbes can increase. However, ensure it does not have a pungent, foul odor before use. Keep in mind that rice water is not a substitute for a complete fertilizer. For better results, combine it with other organic fertilizers, such as compost or manure, to ensure the plant's nutritional needs are fully met. Rice water can be combined with other liquid organic fertilizers to provide a more complete range of nutrients. For example, banana peel liquid organic fertilizer adds potassium, K, beneficial for flowering and fruiting. Compost liquid organic fertilizer helps provide a more comprehensive nutrient profile. Fermented manure liquid organic fertilizer adds nitrogen, N, and other nutrients. Seaweed liquid organic fertilizer contains micronutrients and compounds that support plant growth. Fermented fish liquid organic fertilizer, rich in nitrogen and beneficial for vegetative growth. It is recommended to use diluted mixtures and to test them on a few plants before widespread application. Avoid mixing in materials that have not fully fermented or that emit a strong, foul odor, as these can harm the plants. Don't throw away rice water. It turns out that the water used to wash rice has many benefits for plants. Its content of starch, vitamins, and minerals can help enrich the soil and support the growth of roots, leaves, and stems. Benefits of rice water for plants: helps stimulate root growth, supports leaf growth, making them appear greener and healthier, helps boost the activity of beneficial microorganisms in the soil, maintains the moisture and fertility of the growing medium, helps plants grow stronger and healthier. Suitable for use on chili peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, eggplants, and various other vegetables and ornamental plants. How to make organic fertilizer from rice water. Prepare a handful of rice and place it in a bucket. Add 1 liter of clean water. Squeeze or stir the rice for 2 to 3 minutes until the water turns cloudy white. Strain the rice water and collect it in a clean container. Then, add 4 liters of water and stir until well mixed. The rice water is ready to be used as a liquid organic fertilizer for watering plants. Applying rice water to cucumber plants. Pour the rice water directly onto the base of the plant. Avoid getting too much on the leaves. Dosage: approximately 150 to 250 milliliters per plant for cucumbers that have already begun to grow. For young seedlings, 50 to 100 milliliters per plant is sufficient. Frequency: apply once every 7 days. If the soil is already very fertile, once every 10 to 14 days is enough. Best time: morning or late afternoon for optimal absorption. Rice water serves as a supplementary organic fertilizer. To ensure maximum growth and fruit production, continue to provide balanced fertilization tailored to the cucumber plant's needs. Don't throw away rice water. Use it as a natural organic fertilizer for your cucumber plants. With regular application and proper care, rice water can help promote healthier, more vigorous, and faster growth. See the benefits for yourself in your garden. Rice washing water can be combined with several other organic materials to supplement nutrients. Examples include Coffee grounds help add organic matter and a small amount of nitrogen. Banana peels, a good source of potassium for flowering and fruiting. Crushed eggshells, a source of calcium. Wood ash contains potassium and calcium. Use sparingly as it is alkaline. Compost or well-matured manure adds nutrients and microorganisms. Molasses or palm sugar, for fermentation, serves as a food source for microorganisms when making fermented liquid fertilizer. With regular application of rice rinsing water at the correct dosage, plants can grow more vigorously, displaying greener leaves, improved root development, and optimal shoot growth. Use rice rinsing water to supplement plant care, rather than as the sole source of nutrition, to ensure the plants receive a balanced supply of nutrients. Thank you for watching my video. I hope the gardening tips I shared prove useful to you. Please support this channel by hitting the like, comment, share, and subscribe buttons so you don't miss out on other interesting videos. May your plants grow healthy and lush, and yield an abundant harvest. See you in the next video.